Welcome to Vocab Mount Day 10. This is Shubham here and we are going to learn, as usual, 10 more words with their meaning, synonym and antonym. So let's start. This is our first word, hovel, यानी झोपड़ी या जर्जर घर. A small, dirty and poorly built house. सिनोनिम इसका है सैक, हर्ट और कैबिन. एंटोनिम होगा मैंसन, पैलेस, विला. Example: They lived in a small hovel on the outskirts of the village. The next one is crumble, टूट कर बिखरना, to break into small pieces or to gradually fail or collapse. Synonym इसका है break, collapse, disintegrate. Antonym है build, strengthen, solidify. We can use this as the old wall began to crumble. The next one is wobbly, dham, astart, unsteady or shaky in movement or structure. Synonym इसका होगा unsteady and shaky, unstable. Antonym है stable, firm. Example: The table is wobbly and needs fixing. Thatch, फूस की छत, a roof covering made up of dry plants like straw to cover with such material. Straw, reed, hay, etc. are synonyms. Antonyms are concrete roof or tile. Example: The cottage had a thatched roof. Next one is frail, यानी कमजोर या नाजुक. Meaning physically weak or delicate. Synonym इसका है weak, fragile and feeble. The antonym is strong, robust and healthy. Example: The old man looked frail and tired. The next one is veil, घूंघट या पर्दा. Meaning इसका है piece of cloth used to cover the face or head to hide the conceal something. Synonym इसका है cover, mask और screen. Antonym reveal, expose and uncover. Example: She wore a veil during the ceremony. Next one is improvised, यानी करीब, निर्धारण. Very poor or lacking basic resources. Poor, needy or destitute are synonyms. The opposite words are rich, wealthy and prosperous. Example: Many improvised families struggle for food. Next one is despite, इसके बावजूद, in spite of something, without affected by it, in spite of, regardless of are the synonyms, and antonyms are because of, due to, owing to. Example: She succeeded despite many difficulties. The next one is lineage, वंशावली, family descendant और ancestry. Synonym इसका होगा ancestry, heritage और descent. Antonym है obscurity, ruthlessness. Example: He is proud of his royal lineage. The next one is, that is last one, shanty यानी झोपड़ी, a small poorly built house या hut. Hut, snack, hovel are the synonyms. The opposite words are bungalow, palace, villa, etc. They lived in a shanty near the river is example. Now this video is going to end. Thank you for watching us. We will see you again in next video.